Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you didn't already know, Vancouver has some of the best outdoor pools in the entire world. Starting with the one and only Kitsilano Beach pool, which is 137 meters from one end to the other, and it's a saltwater pool. Right on the edge of downtown Vancouver, it is truly one of a kind. Other notable pools include Second Beach and my personal favorite out here, New Brighton outdoor pool. We are currently in the middle of a heat bubble and temperatures are upwards of 400 degrees Celsius. I'm sweating buckets, it's insane. There has never been a better time to go out and explore some of our outdoor pools. If you've been in the past, there's a few new things that you need to know. First off, you have to book your tickets ahead of time on Ticket Leader. They're posted 3 days prior to the day you want to go swimming at noon. So I set a calendar alert and get notified because they go quickly, so you don't want to miss out. Once you have your tickets in your phone, it's super easy to get checked in. You just walk through the front gate and they scan your ticket, and before you know it, you're ready to go swimming. Each person or family member gets their own little square for their stuff, as the change rooms are now closed. Bathrooms are still open, but change rooms are closed. So come prepared in your swimming suit and bring a towel for afterwards. If you're a pro and you can change underneath the towel, that's cool. People do that. Otherwise, yeah, you gotta leave in your swim trunks. There's no change rooms, bathrooms are open. Other than that, the pools are operating same as before, and they're a great way to cool down in the summer heat. You definitely won't regret coming out here and getting a few laps in. My personal favorite is the 8 p.m. sunset swim at Kitsilano Beach. There's something so special about finishing a stroke, looking up and seeing the sun setting. It is truly spectacular. And it's always nice to finish with a beach session afterwards. That's great here at New Brighton Park as well. Sunset Beach, highly recommend hitting the seawall. That's it for me. It's been a few crazy weeks for me, but I'm trying to keep uploading on YouTube as I do really enjoy it and I like sharing new stuff with you guys, so keep an eye out for that. Subscribe if you haven't. See you guys next time.